Would you like your favorite MP3 music to be converted to MP3 ringtones? Now you can make your own MP3 ringtones from your own MP3s and then download them to your PC or mobile phone by web for free. www.iwfr.net, a free MP3 to ringtone converter to create free ringtones from your own MP3s. First, select your MP3 file on your computer, then click Upload. This means the upload process was successful. You can edit the ringtone format, cut down the part you like to be your ringtone, and adjust the volume of the ringtone. Click Preview Processing to next step. Review the ringtone you will get. You can download the converted ringtone now. You can also publish the ringtone to our site so everyone can share your ringtone. www.iwfr.net, a free MP3 to ringtone converter to create free ringtones from your own MP3s.